inside. First put wall corner, plywood, wall to plywood, wall, plywood, all. First mark, right? After wall. This is plywood, one plywood. After blocks 2 by 4, same. After this, a small support, if your no stand up this support, wall support, right? All support, all this all too. This distance 3 feet. One, this one, next one 3 feet distance. The same thing wall. This 2 by 4 join. This last corner. Up stage. This to this support. First you make door, first floor, this inside, this inside, watch this side, same piece, 3 bottom, right? 2 feet. Make like this make support this one corner, one support corner, this inside, 1 2 3, this board, second this up to this, third this up to this. If we make column board, this column box support, next one support column. Alright, next this side column, wall, this is corner wall to column. After column you make the same 1 2 3, this stand up, and the last one make this 2 3, right? This is front part, this is center box, right? Center box, the same thing different. After the plywood to step 1 feet, right? this 1 feet different, 1 feet measuring. First, I think too low, 7 inch something. Next, plywood to step 1 feet. Look, more important, this first line, second line, the first, second, middle, and the two steel rod, right? Of third, one line, this plywood line, one line, this second line, the third line. Okay, the first line, first for plywood, second steel, two steel pushing in this side center. Last, if you make a step, pencil mark to 65-degree different slant, right? When you set up this pencil mark, on the top set up the rib, right? A small piece, set up the pencil mark, this plywood to step 1 feet distance, the same thing